Hello, good morning. Today it's a special day because I'll go faster. I got a feedback telling me to explain rapidly, and for this reason I have created a link that has given you access to advanced description of the components of the Internet of Things platform. I would like to keep making these videos step by step because I want to be sure that all the people watching them understand what I'm talking about. Regardless of whether people have technology knowledge or not, it's important to know what's behind the Internet of Things. What happens to the information, to the privacy levels, and many other aspects that we are going to go through these videos. As a special one, and only for today, I will explain super fast to give a taste of what are the components in a summary. However, in the next videos, we will speak more thoroughly of each one of the components one by one. Let's start with the image that I was putting last week. And I'll put it vertically, just 1 second. And here we have it. The reason I was turning it 90 degrees is because I want to include the variable of time. And we will put it in the axis X. It is time that allows us to see where the information and how fast it's moving from one place to the other. We can see how it is flowing from the devices where the information is created towards the cloud. On this side, we have all the gateways, devices, sensors. This is where the information is generated. And this is how the information is flowing from the devices to the cloud. And it is in this area that the magic happens. We cannot work in this slide because it's too crowded. Just give me 1 second and I will create one that is cleaner. Okay, perfect. So this is a little bit cleaner. And let's start here with the cloud. On this part, we have the beginning. We have the area of computing, the storage, the hardware, and edge equipment, which allow us to have the control over all the information that has been created and sent to the cloud. But if we put it in numbers, so this is the number 1, this is the number 2, then this is the number 3, and then we have a full line of different stacks that I will create just now. Perfect, now we have it all. The next step here is the operating environment, and this is the number 4. This is needed in order to run the applications that will make sense to the millions of data points sent by all the different data sources. We are speaking here about terabytes per second. So first, 1, 2, 3, number 4. As a number 5, then we continue by running the applications that translate and place the data in respective containers. Number 6, once the data is containerized, the focus is on compression. With the initial steps of data analytics, it's worth noting that this includes data decoding and inserting information into separate silos for processing. In case of the existence of external data sources, that is where we have the number 7. This is the integration of external data through APIs to enrich the previously acquired data in order to beautify the original data set to make it relevant with its environment. Then we have all the information available in the system and we proceed to do the real data analytics, such as finding correlations, regressions, identification of events and outliers, alerts, alarms, capacity planning, traffic analysis, etc. All of this happening through the real-time understanding of current events of infrastructure, of assets, or the applications. I am putting here the asterisk because it's extremely important, because it gives us the full transparency and the precise situational awareness on any situation that could affect our investment. The resulting analysis, once we have all the data here, then we visualize it. It's the visualization via charts, diagrams, dashboards, which are populated in real time and using modern graphics adapted to the visual image of the customer, with beautiful user interfaces to make it more attractive and clearly identify the events and necessary actions. Finally, and as the number 10, we have the possibility for remote controlling the devices. This happens as long as the user allows and wants it. Well, this was a very fast presentation as an introduction, on which I will enter into the details during the next videos to come. So for now, it's time to say goodbye and see you next time.